Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel your Midjourney subscription step by step. First, make sure you're logged into your Midjourney account. You'll need to do this on a web browser, since you can't cancel your subscription directly from Discord. Once you're logged in, go to the Manage Subscription page. You can find this by visiting the Midjourney website, then clicking on Sign In at the top right. After you sign in, you'll be redirected to your account page. Now, on your account page, look for a section called Manage Subscription. It should show your current plan and billing details. In that section, you will see a button that says Cancel Plan. Click on it. I don't have a subscription right now. That's why you don't have the option. But if you have subscribed, you will see the option listed. Once you confirm, your subscription will be set to cancel at the end of your current billing cycle. That means you won't be charged again in the future, but you can still use all your subscription features until the current period ends. That includes any fast time you have remaining. So you can keep generating images and using all the tools that come with your plan until your billing cycle officially ends. And that's it. Thanks for watching.